Hey YouTube, my name is Feyi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I've been meaning to start this channel for a while now, and I'm really happy that now that we're in quarantine, we have all the time in the world to do stuff. So why not start a YouTube channel? I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of insight about what I want the channel to be, so stay tuned. So when I started this channel, I really wanted to put more tips about architecture and interior design out in the YouTube world. Right now there's a lot of stuff in like print or HGTV or from professional websites, but I think it's nice bringing some of that to a more palatable format on an easy to stream and watch platform. I graduated from Carnegie Mellon University with a bachelor's in architecture as well as a concentration in entrepreneurship. Besides architecture and interior design, I'm a big lover of art. I love makeup, I love music, I love nail design. I'm hoping to incorporate a lot of that on this channel also, so it won't just be strictly educational, to be some more informal things also. I'm really big on interior design and home decor, so I've been doing a lot of DIYs from that. I'm really loving all things design. Everything I've done since growing up has done with something with art. So there might be some art DIYs, some jewelry making, some makeup tutorials, some nail tutorials, anything that involves art and design, I'll do it. You know, whatever I think my heart calls for is what I'll put up. But I think the majority of it is homemaking as well as home design. Thank you all for sticking around and watching my first YouTube video for this channel. If you want to see more videos on architecture, interior design, home decor, and DIYs, press that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!